Very interesting recipe for the big green egg. Sockeye salmon, bourbon. You think I'm going to stop there? No, I'm not. Okay. Then I'll mix together brown sugar, salt, in these correct proportions now, and the orange zest. All right, give me a second. When this salt and the brown sugar is mixed very well, you're going to be surprised with what I'm going to do with it here. Now watch. I'm going to cover the salmon completely. Cover the salmon, it's got the bourbon in there. Ooh. Okay. Oranges. Cover it. Seal it all up. And put it in the refrigerator now for 48 hours. Sounds involved. It is, but it's going to be worth it. Now, after 48 hours, a bourbon glaze. And this is going to be a bourbon glazed grilled salmon on the big green egg. Now see, I had to wash all that other off. It just didn't just disappear. But that has given a very, very special taste to the salmon. Now, on the egg, and it won't take long, I'll show you the finished product. Whew. Involved, but worth it. This is really good, guys. Go to o'neilloutside.com, biggreenegg.com. You'll find the recipe there. Big Green Egg, the ultimate cooking experience.